Welcome to JVZoo Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how as a vendor you're going to be able to create a split test for any of your products right here at JVZoo. Now from the main dashboard you want to come over to the left hand side panel here and click Sellers, and we're going to go to the Sellers dashboard. Now of course there's lots of different stuff here based on funnels, coupons, contracts, so all of these you'll find in separate videos below. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the split test options. So we click Manage Split Tests, and you're going to be able to see all of your current active and inactive split tests. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new one. So from here, we simply give our split test a name, and I would give it a name based on the product. So let's say we grab this product here, front end product, and so we just do FA product split 1. Okay, this is the first split test for the front end product that we're selling. Now I suggest you set everything up here first before activating it, and in fact if you need to make any changes after it, I highly recommend you first disable and then re-enable once you've made those changes. So here we're going to be able to say what percentage of traffic we want to go to each of our sales pages, and we can simply add as many as we need. So your most common one would be basically 50 and 50, and this would be basically your sales page, so mysalespage.com, and then here this would be obviously your alternative sales page. Now it could be that what you're wanting to do is split test the color scheme. It could be that you want to split test the VSL. It could be that you want to split test certain part of the copy. There's lots of different options that you might want to split test, and obviously you're going to be able to do all of that right inside of JVZoo. Now every time somebody comes to that product through one of the affiliate links, they're going to either be sent to the main sales page that you have or your alternative sales page. Now of course you're going to be able to split them 50-50. If you want to weight it and say, okay, I actually want 20% to go just to the new page and 80% to the old original page, you can set that. And right inside here of JVZoo, you will see the visitor count, the sales count, and the conversion rates of the particular splits. So you can very quickly identify which particular copy or VSL or whatever it is that's different on your split test is working, and then you can make changes to make sure that your product is always performing as great as possible. So we're simply going to go ahead and activate this split test and click Save. So this is now active. So every time someone comes through to that page, they'll be split. 50% will go one side, 50% will go the other, and JVZoo will start keeping track of the clicks, the visitors, the number of buyers, and of course that most important conversion to see which one is performing best for you.